What's the meaning of cigarette lighter? Cigarette lighter. Cigarette lighter.
Cigarette lighter. Cigarette lighter. A cigarette lighter is a portable device used to ignite tobacco products such as cigarettes, cigars, or pipes. It typically consists of a metal or plastic container containing fuel and a flint or piezoelectric ignition system. The fuel is ignited by a spark from the flint or the piezoelectric system, producing a flame that can be used to light tobacco products. Cigarette lighters are widely used by smokers around the world and are often found in cars, houses, and other public places.